What's up, everybody? I'm going to give you a brief video here of a racing experience I had with a company called Extreme Experience. My wife bought me this as a gift for our anniversary. It was really kind of her to do that. Got to go racing in a Mustang GT500, and that thing sounds amazing. Also did a ride along in a Charger Hellcat. I get 3 laps. The whole thing is filmed in car. This was at Nelson Ledges up near Cleveland. Get to go up to about 120.
Remember what this means?
Roll into throttle.
Really key with this car, that rolling on the throttle, it's going to be your friend, all right? Okay. But eventually we can go to
full on.
Exactly. And then your side, my side.
Okay.
Now when I say your side or my side, I literally mean all the way over except for...
Don't go off the track.
3 feet.
Okay.
Give yourself 3 feet, especially in this car. In this car, if you want to give yourself 4 feet, I'm okay with that. That way, if this car does do a little like kick out or anything like that, that way you don't accidentally touch a cone or fly off the track or anything like that.
Okay.
With this car, like I said, it's just real critical to be as smooth as you can with that gas. So we're going to be right behind this red Ferrari.
Yeah, I heard him say that in the instruction, and I got a little concerned because...
So I'll be honest with you, this car is no harder to drive than any of the other cars here, as long as you're respectful with that gas pedal.
Okay.
The second you start getting a little aggressive with it, coming onto it, either when you're not supposed to, too hard, too fast, things like that, that's when this car can be a handful and bite.
Okay.
If you're smooth and easy with the gas, this car's a hoot to drive and it's easy to drive.
Okay. All right.
All right, so rolling out really slow for right now.
This thing sounds amazing.
I'll wait till you hear this thing in full song when we're going down that straightaway. So right now what I'm having you do is just lift off the gas, and I'm going to let them coast. You don't have to hit the brake or anything. We're just coasting. I want them to get all the way through basically turn 1, so we create a nice big gap. All right, that looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and head on out. So just like in the lead car, you're going to hug my side, so don't worry about those cones right now. Hug my side. We worry about those cones next time. Once we get to that green cone, we're going to let that Mustang drift all the way out to your side. So let it start drifting out to your side. You can give a little gas right here if you want to. Now what we're going to do is don't use any brake. We'll need brake next time. This time we don't. Orange cone to green cone. That way too you can get a feel for how much grip the car actually has. Now swing out a little bit and then bring it back in. And then here, go ahead and test that brake out. Just a little bit of brake. And then off the brake, orange cone to green cone. Now here, we're going to hug down low, give it a little bit of gas to maintain that speed, and look for that next green cone. At that third one, start bringing it on out. So I want you to wait till the Mustang is straight and then get on the brakes.
Okay.
So that way we don't have a chance of sliding or anything. Nice and good through the chicane. Yep. Roll back on that gas, get it back up to speed. Stay down low though. You can give it a little bit more gas, it's all right. Now, after the second green cone, I want you to start drifting on up towards that orange turning cone. And then wait till you get to that orange turning cone, and then turn into the green cone. Start giving it a little bit of gas, and just a little bit more. All right, we got our straightaway. You ready? Full throttle. Oh, wow. You can keep going. You can keep going. It's all right.
Oh, wow.
Orange, green, and you actually get back on the gas here if you want to. All the way over to your side. And now give me some brakes. And then off that brake, orange cone, green cone. Nice, now swing on out to your side, all the way to your side, then bring it back to my side, and wait till you're straight, and then do your brakes. Orange cone to green cone. Hug your side. Make sure you're hugging your side, give me some brakes. And bring it in, keep it tight to that green cone. Get ready, get set, and full throttle. Nice, man. All those brakes. Is that crazy or what?
Wow.
All right, bring it into the green cone. All right, back where we started. Ready for lap 2?
Yes.
All right, swing on out. Get a little bit of gas, it's okay. Watch this, no brake, trust the car. Orange to green. Swing back out. Back over to my side. And now this time give me a little brake. Off that brake, turn in, green cone. Yep, just a little gas to maintain, and then hug down low. And then swing back out to my side. And yep, get slowed down to that nice appropriate speed. And we got a green Porsche that's coming right up on us, so I'm going to have you get all the way over to your side. Get off the gas for just 1 second. Don't brake. And get rolling back on that gas. Nice. Keep it going to that green. Swing on out. Orange cone to the green cone. All right, get ready, get set, and enjoy that back straightaway. Going. Nice. Orange cone, green cone. Swing on over. Nice. Watch this. Don't brake. Trust the car. Orange cone, green cone. See how much grip the car has? Isn't that crazy?
Yeah.
All right, orange. Bring it on over. Now give me some brakes. This turn is a little bit tighter. Orange to the green. Nice. All right, now light brake so you can turn in. There you go. Nice, nice. Not yet, not yet. Now. Lift and brakes. A little bit more brake. And then off that brake, turn it in, green cone. And back where we start. You ready for your 3rd lap?
Yes.
All right, man. Swing on out. A little bit of throttle in here, a little bit of gas, a little bit of gas. No brake. Orange cone, green cone. Plug my side. Nice. You actually get back on the throttle a little bit if you want right here. Nice. Now this time I do need a little brake. Off that brake, turn it in. A little bit of gas to maintain that speed as you hug the low line to that 3rd green cone. Yes, this is good. Good. Swing on out. And then give me some brakes so you can get slowed down so you can go through the chicane without actually touching a cone. And then roll on that gas, get it back up to speed. There we go. And what you're going to do is the same thing you've done before. Bring it out high. And then bring it down low once you get to the orange cone. Adding in a little bit of throttle at a time, a little bit of gas, a little bit more, and full throttle. Keep going. Nice. Lift. Don't brake, turn in. Swing on over. Very light brake, just a little bit. And off the brake, turn in. Nice. There we go. Orange cone, bring it over to my side. And give me some brakes. Orange cone to green cone. Tighten it up, tighten it up, tighten it up. There you go. And slow down, slow down. That's lap 3. We're going to be going into the pits. So slow it down, slow it down. We're going to be going into the pits. There you go, man.
Wow.
Just a little too fast in that one corner back there. That's why I was just turning that wheel to help you a little bit. That way you don't fly off the track and have to spend $500. Nice job, though, man. Nice job. Is that fun or what?
Yes, that was awesome.
All right, man.
Thank you very much.
No problem. Thank you. If you guys didn't come out, I wouldn't have such a fun job, so.
Just ride through it, and now you get on the gas. It comes out of it.
This is Damian Hill with Solid Fix Build. See you later. Hey, you're awesome. You really hung in there, didn't you? If you want to see the next project, go ahead and subscribe and hit the notifications button. Hey, if you want to see any other types of projects, say so in the comments. I'd love to hear your feedback. And if you want to support the channel, it's super easy and it's free. Just hit that like button. The YouTube algorithm likes that. Thanks for watching. Stay rad and go start your next project.